Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for our today's vlog, I'm gonna share with you my everyday winter soft glam makeup look. Alam nyo guys, during winter season or cold weather, pansin ko sobrang bilis na mag-cake or mag-crease nung foundation or makeup na nilalagay ko sa aking skin. I don't know why. Naglalagay naman ako ng moisturizer. Well, I feel naman na moisturized naman yung aking skin. Pero most of the time, ganun eh. Nakaka-experience ako ng pagkikake ng makeup sa aking face. Kaya naman, I am so happy na finally, I find the product na suitable sa aking skin type during this cold weather. And I'm gonna share that with you today, okay? So, before it's getting more late, let's get started. Okay, so first, I'm gonna start with this Beauty Mist by Untitled na setting spray. So, this one, sobrang gustong-gusto ko to. Actually, ito, recently ko lang to na-discover. Sobrang bango nito. Actually, ayokong gamitin kasi ang hirap makabili nito dito sa Dubai. Wala akong makitang ibang seller na nagbebenta nito. Okay, so next product is this Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. Actually, pang-apat ko na to. Kalahati na ata siya ulit eh. Madalas ko itong gamitin, especially talaga during cold weather kasi it really gives a glow to my skin. Tsaka kasi meron siyang shiny effect. So, I use this one every time also na I feel my skin is dull. Kaya gustong-gusto ko to. At saka very affordable siya, guys. Basta parang hindi siya lalagpas ng 20 dirhams. Siguro parang 18 or something kung hindi ako nagkakamali. So, here. Okay, so for my foundation, I'll be using this Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. I am in the shade of 20, Fresh Nude. Madalas ito yung combo na ginagamit ko. Primer and foundation. Ayan. And sometimes I use my primer with this L'Oreal Too Much. Pero, tawag nito, mas gusto ko siya with this one. So, ito yung gagamitin ko today. Sira yung pump nito, kaya tinatanggal ko siya. Pwede pala. Yan, so ganito lang yung ko. Ganyan, konting amount lang yung aking gagamitin. And then, for my concealer, I'll be using this Essence na Stay All Day 16 Hours Long-Lasting Concealer. So, next, makikilay na tayo. And for my eyebrows, I'll be using this Ximivogue na eyebrow pencil. Tapos, i-fill in ko siya nitong medyo light na eyebrow pencil. This is from Catrice eh. Nabura na siya. Hindi na halata. Ewan ko kung nababasag pa. So, medyo light to. So, ito yung pinang-fill in ko lagi. Okay, so minute ko kayo guys habang nagsiset ako ng aking face, and I use this mattifying compact powder. Malapit kasi kami sa mosque guys. So, ayan. So, ito yung pinang-set ko ng aking face. Okay, so maglalagay lang ako ng konting eyeshadow, and I'll be using this Too Cool Art Class by Rodin shading. Ayan, ito. This is from the holiday gift box na sinend sa akin ng Yes Style. So, ganito yung itsura niya, diba? Pang-contour siya, but I'll be using this as my eyeshadow too. So, hindi ko tinatanggal yung protective, niya, transparent plastic. So, para lang medyo may konting kulay yung ating eyelid, but it's very natural. And then, I'll be using this also to contour my face. For my nose pala, I use this palette to contour. This is from Ximivogue. Medyo dark kasi ito ng konti. So, we are done, and I'm gonna tight my lash line, my upper and lower lash line with this Essence na Kajal pencil. We can have illusion of wing liner, and then I'll take, ayan, and then blend the edges of that illusion wing liner that we made. So, we are done. So, gawin ko na siya sa kabila, guys. Okay, guys. So, malapit na tayong matapos. So, for my mascara, I'll be using this Long Lash Limelight Long Lash Mascara. This is from Ilahui. Ilahui. Tama ba ako? Pangatlo ko na to na mascara. And, mura lang siya. And, sobrang ganda nung effect niya. Talagang, it really lengthens my lashes. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo yung lashes ko muna. So, this is my actual lashes, and let's see kung paano siya mag-transform after applying this mascara. This for 7 dirhams. Oo, 7 dirhams siya. Tama ba ako? 7 o basta 7 siya. Hindi siya lalagpas ng 10 dirhams. Kita niyo ba? I'm gonna apply this brown shade from my contour palette to the lower lash line of my eyes. Okay, and then mag-apply tayo ng mascara sa lower lashes natin. Okay, so for the blush on, I'll be taking the blush on from this I'm Multi-Cube. Ayan, I'm Mimi. So, it is eyeshadow, and sobrang cute ng lalagyanan niya, no? It is eyeshadow with blush on na. This is also from the holiday gift box that Yastyle sent to me. So, this is in the shade 002 All About Apple Red. So, ayan. And for my highlighter, ayan, I'll be using this luminous na multi-highlighter. This is from the same luminous multi-highlighter. This is also from the holiday gift box that Yastyle sent to me. Sobrang ganda ng shade niya, diba? Okay, so for my lipstick, I'll be using this Essence. This is Me in the shade of 06 Real. So, ganito yung shade niya. Ayan. Okay guys, so I am done, and naglagay lang ako ng falsies off cam para mabilis kasi gising na yung aking chikiting. Kaya medyo nagmamadali na rin ako guys. Naririnig niyo ba yung ingay na yan? At sumisilip na si Haring Araw sa aming kwarto. So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!